Today I'm going to play with puppets. Shadow play was one of the most popular activity in ancient China. It consists in a shadow show on a white screen, and well, we can consider it as the ancestor of movies. So now, you know what, I'm really curious about it, and I really want to discover how were directed movies 2000 years ago. Hi, how are you? The shadow puppet play is being performed with a puppeteer standing in the back of the screen, controlling puppets. Besides, the puppeteer will dub puppets' voices, and with the help of background music, stories will be enhanced. What are they made of?
The shadow puppet was originally made of leather or paperboard, and the past craft was really complicated. They need to be sewed, polished, carved, painted, and then dry. And every procedure requires time and patience and work. So, like for example, like this simple. Do you know about that instrument?
Well, I think it's a Chinese traditional instrument, isn't it?
Yeah, it's called erhu. It's an instrument that will be used in the puppet show.
Actually, shadow play performers manipulate puppets while telling stories, which is quite very difficult exercise for your brain, because it requires a very good coordination between your brain and your hands, right?
Yes, the first performance was performed by only one person, because then he will need to manipulate the puppets and at the same time sing the libretto and step on the drum all by himself.
Wow, that's incredible!
Yes.
How can that be possible with all these sticks?
Yeah, it was so hard, and now I will take you to watch a puppet show.
Okay, great. Let's go.
老鬼，今天你的末日到了。
Hey, how are you?
Hey, how are you? I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I like your color.
Wow, I like you too. You seem so cool.
Really?
Yeah.
Am I scary? So now the manager just said that we can try to make some little puppets by our own. That's
Really?
great.
That's great.
Yes, let's try it.
Let's try.
Can't wait for it. Like this. I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Among these procedures, the carving process requires that the right hand holds the knife on the pattern while the left hand pushes the thread carving. When making a puppet, 10 major procedures, 21 minor procedures, and hundreds of chisel works will be needed. A single wrong chisel move can undermine everything before, so if you want to make good quality puppets, 3 to 5 years of training at least will be required. Well, that's all about Taishan shadow puppet play. Thank you for your time, and thank you very much, Alex. That was really interesting.
Very happy to join you.
Thank you. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe Let's Local channel and like this video. And see you next time.